A Rainbow of My Own by Dawn Freeman. Today I saw a rainbow. It was so beautiful that I wanted to catch it for my very own. I put on my raincoat and hat and ran outdoors. Fast as the wind I ran. But when I came to where the rainbow should have been, it wasn't there. I thought, maybe some rainy day a rainbow will come and stay a while. I'll be walking along slowly. And suddenly I'll hear a soft whirring sound like the wings of a bird. I'll look around and see a rainbow following me. I'll know by the way it circles and whirls. It wants to play. So I'll hop over my rainbow. And my rainbow will leap over me. I'll climb up one side and slide down the other. We'll play a game of hide and go seek. I'll shut my eyes and count to 20 and then look all around. If I were a rainbow, where would I hide? In a flower garden, of course. Rows of flowers look like a rainbow. Suddenly, the sun came out again from behind the rain clouds. And my pretend rainbow disappeared the way real rainbows do. But when I came back home, I saw something glowing inside the window of my room. And when I ran indoors, there was a rainbow dancing on the wall. The sun was shining through the water in my goldfish bowl, and it made a rainbow just for me. A rainbow of my very own.